Today, we're diving into the trading settings of Trojan on Solana. Think of it like tuning the engine before the drive. Smooth, deliberate, every choice matters. First stop, simple or advanced mode. Simple keeps things straightforward. Quick trades, no clutter. Advanced opens the hood. More levers, more control. Now, let's talk gas. 3 lanes. Fast, turbo, or custom. The faster you go, the more you pay. Fees go to Solana validators and JITO if MEV protection is enabled. Quick note, if a trade fails, you still pay gas to the validator. Your gas setting applies to both buys and sells, unless you set a sell priority fee override, giving sells their own gas setting. Slippage. A word that trips people up. It's not a fee, it's a tolerance. Prices move, always. In seconds, they can shift. So slippage is you telling Trojan how much change you'll accept before the trade should fail. Big market caps, slow movers, maybe 2 to 3%. Fresh meme coin, wild and fast, could be 15% or more. Copy trading, sniping, those might demand higher. You set buy slippage in buy settings, sell slippage in sell settings, fit it to your rhythm. Let's talk presets. Define your buy buttons in Sol. Define your sell buttons as a percentage of your bag. Now, when the market moves, one click and your setup is right there. On to MEV protection. MEV bots, they slip in and reshuffle your trade to their advantage. Turn protection on and your trade will be just that, protected. It might cost a little more in gas, but it shields your trade, lets you run with higher slippage. Turn it off and trades may be a touch cheaper, but you better keep slippage low. Safety runs deeper. Confirm trades. It makes you press once more before it fires. Sell protection, an extra guardrail. If you're moving more than 75% of your balance, Trojan asks you, are you sure? And that's just the beginning. Limit orders, DCA, auto buy, auto sell, tools to shape your journey, however far you're going. Because in this market, control is everything.